The marketing genius behind Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the richest person in the world. He created SpaceX, Tesla, and even PayPal. So how does Elon generate buzz and sell? He does crazy marketing stunts. Now let's look at some of the marketing stunts that Elon has pulled off. When he released Tesla, the Cybertruck, he did a stunt where he had the Cybertruck and a Ford F-150 where they had a tug-of-war match, right? They were tied together, and guess who won? It was the Tesla Cybertruck. Now it was controversial because they say some people said, hey, the Tesla started first, so it was easier for them to win, but it doesn't matter. It created tons of buzz. Now with the Cybertruck, he also wanted to show how it was indestructible. So he had one of his team members take a steel ball and throw it at the Cybertruck window. And because it was armored glass, he was saying that it shouldn't have broke. But guess what happened? The window broke. And then they're like, should we try this again? He's like, yeah, I'll try it again. Threw it at another window. Guess what happened? It broke. Now his child is named after a password reset default. Flamethrowers? Over 20,000 of them were sold. He launched a Tesla Roadster into space, literally into space. There's no need for it to be in space, but he did, and it created tons of press. And he implanted a chip in a pig's brain. In essence, he has grown his companies through unconventional marketing stunts. Some are controversial, but it works. Just think of it this way. You're probably wondering, Neil, how could it really work? Throw a steel ball at a Cybertruck window and it breaks? Why would people buy the Cybertruck then? Well, there are already 661,000 results for the keyword Cybertruck window, right? It's people talking about the Tesla Cybertruck window. The truck isn't even out yet, and so many people are talking about it that even though it's an epic failure, it's generated a lot of sales. And guess how many sales it's generated, right? With over 661,000 people. According to the Notebook Check, there are over $80 billion worth of pre-sales. Not million, I'm talking about billion with the B. That's how effective his stunts are. Even when they don't work, it's still producing revenue. So what can you learn from Elon? Think outside the box. Now, here's an example of how I've thought outside the box like Elon. Even though I can't compare to sending a car into space and my ideas still aren't as good as Elon, hence I'm not as successful. But one of my ideas was everyone's paying for software, marketing software, like SEMrush, Ahrefs, Moz. Why not give away most of what they charge for free? Literally like 90+% of the stuff they charge for free. I did that with Uber Suggest. And you know what? It's my most popular page on my website, has over 20,000 referring backlinks, and it's been effective. It's the #1 channel that my ad agency, NP Digital, now generates sales from. All because we're willing to give away something for free that others weren't. It was expensive to do that, but it's more than paid off. It's way cheaper than us buying ads on Google or Facebook. Now, it doesn't mean you shouldn't buy ads on Google or Facebook. If that's profitable, do that as well too. But think outside the box because it gives you a leg up on your competition. Help my ad agency be the 21st fastest growing company in the United States according to Inc. magazine. Now, if you need help thinking outside the box and leveraging some cool strategies, kind of like how Tesla does or Elon does, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you for watching.